When I go out to the community, people always ask me, what's the difference between a credit union and a bank? I simply say we are the same and we're very similar in that we have the same products and services. The way that we are different is in our philosophy. We serve our members. When each member comes in to the credit union, opens an account, makes a deposit, that makes it available money for another current member to have a loan. The money stays local. We serve the community that we live in, and that to me is the most important part.
I find that the credit union are about the people. We're about not feeing them to death, charging them a reasonable interest rate, and listening to their story. There's not a computer that's making a decision about their loan decisions or all of those different things. We're all human here. And as we look into the future and AI and all those different things, our biggest focus as a leadership team, as we make decisions, is about the people. And I think that's what's important. I think it's not about just the almighty dollar. It's about our community and what we can do for them as well.
The members are number one, and they are, just as important as we are. And we get to put our funds back into the members.
We create strong relationships with them, just kind of like their family.
Understand where they're coming from and putting ourselves in their shoes. We will reach out a little bit further to help them in something that they're suffering in.
Most people come in here thinking that this isn't a financial institution. This is a community, a place where they can come in, they can see somebody that they see, all the time. And the fact that we treat it like a community, and it is a community with all our members and everybody in here, it's just a home.
Our main focus is caring about our members before anything. Putting ourselves in their shoes, seeing how they feel, what they're struggling with, instead of it just being a corporation base.
No.
We are here because of them. The credit union wouldn't be here if we didn't have our members. And we have somebody who comes in at least once a week and will sit in the lobby having a cup of coffee.
We have at least like 2 or 3 of them.
Just hanging out, and then we'll get up and do their transaction. So like they said, we care about our members. Our members, we love them. We wouldn't, like I said, we wouldn't be here if we didn't have them. So.
Yeah.
One of the things I love the most, not even just UFirst, but credit union movement in general, is the giving back, the community that the credit union movement is. So I think that that's one of the greatest things about credit unions for sure, is the relationships. And I think coming from living in such a small community that we do, it's easy to form those relationships.
Everything we do, we give back to our membership and our community, and that is our focus. And that's huge, especially when you live in a small area like this. When we can make an impact for our members and for our community, it's something amazing, and it's amazing to be a part of.
I would have to say member owned. It's the one thing that other banks don't have. A lot of people don't realize that when they open up their account, they're buying into our membership. They're part of the community already. So it's amazing that we offer that within our area.